Home recipe for thyroid juice that anyone with inflammation or hormonal imbalance should prepare and drink. The thyroid is responsible for distributing many different hormones throughout the body. A short list of the thyroid's responsibilities includes regulating fat and carbohydrate metabolism, respiration, body temperature, brain development, cholesterol levels, the heart and nervous system, blood calcium levels, menstrual cycles, and skin integrity. With a list like that, it's easy to see why keeping your thyroid healthy is important. The most common thyroid condition is hypothyroidism, which results from an underactive thyroid. Symptoms include weight gain, fatigue, dry skin and hair, and difficulty concentrating. Hypothyroidism is also a dangerous condition, resulting from an overactive thyroid. Symptoms include weight loss, high blood pressure, diarrhea, and a rapid heartbeat. Common treatments for hypothyroidism include medications, surgery, or oral radioactive iodine. It is difficult to target these treatments on the thyroid and may cause the thyroid to secrete inadequate amounts of certain hormones, and reduce thyroid function. Fortunately, there is a natural remedy that can boost the function of the thyroid effectively and safely. Here is how to prepare it. Cranberry thyroid boosting juice ingredients: 1 cup 100% cranberry juice, 1/4 tablespoon dry ginger, 1/2 tablespoon Ceylon cinnamon, 3/4 tablespoon freshly squeezed orange juice, 1/4 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 7 cups spring or filtered water, 1/4 tablespoon nutmeg. Instructions: first, heat the water, but do not boil it. Then, add the cranberry, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and simmer for 20 minutes. Then, reduce it from heat, and leave it to cool. When cold, add the orange and lemon juices. You should drink the entire batch in one day. Cranberries are a rich natural source of iodine, which is essential for the thyroid hormones, as they are made of it. Moreover, the orange and lemon juices are high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that supports the healthy function of the thyroid. Cinnamon lowers the risk of hypothyroidism, and the high magnesium content of ginger prevents thyroid diseases. Furthermore, make sure you exercise regularly and try to optimize the levels of selenium, vitamin D, B12, and goitrogens in the body. If you like our video, please like or subscribe our YouTube channel.